Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. I'm recording this on my phone, so the quality might not be the best, but I wanted to do an empty office tour. If you watched our last YouTube video, it was the last episode of season 2 of our podcast. And basically we went over our goals for 2022, and one of my goals was to buy a house for Sticker Guru, and we are standing in said house. So I thought I would do an empty office tour. I'm very much in the midst of still moving, so none of the rooms are ready. I'm actually not planning on moving Sticker Guru's office until January. So yeah, so currently we are still like setting up shutters and whatnot, but I thought it would still be interesting and fun to see what the new office space looks like. So if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications, and leave a comment letting me know if you want to see a full house tour, probably when it's done being furnished, because I currently am not done at all. Haven't even moved in yet, so that's gonna be in a little while, but let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, this is what it looks like when you first walk in to my home. Yeah, I still have Halloween decorations up that I need to put away, but the layout of my house is, it's a 3-story single family home. Doesn't take up a lot of space each floor, but it does have 3 floors to it. It's a little bit different from what I am used to or what I experienced growing up. We always lived in 2-story homes. So I feel like new builds in San Diego, they're just building up, you know? We're running out of space. So a lot of new builds are 3 stories. So this is the entrance way. Currently I have a lot of boxes like over there, over here. I was actually supposed to install all of the blinds or shutters onto my windows last weekend or 2 weekends ago now, but Home Depot, which is where I ordered these shutters from, they didn't include any installation hardware, so wasn't able to install any of them. I like frantically opened every single box looking for it, didn't find it. I ended up having to call them, and they said they would send it, so hopefully I'm still waiting for them for it to show up at my front door, but hopefully it gets to me soon so I can install all the shutters and throw away all these boxes. That's why I also like held off on posting any moving vlogs or like tours yet, because it's just not ready yet. But the video is supposed to go up tomorrow, so I'm posting this regardless of what my house looks like. This is also a mess right now. I just got in a Dyson vacuum. It's charging there. This is the first floor. So we have a closet here, which I'm planning on turning into like a little storage unit, because there is some space under the staircase. So thought that would be great for any like big boxes of like, I don't know, bubble mailers or sticker paper would be a good place to store in there. And then over here, there is a door to my backyard. And then here is the door to the garage. And then this is the only room on the first floor. It's going to be one of the rooms that I use as an office. So I'm planning on using 2 bedrooms as office spaces. And this is the first one, so it's on the first floor. Yeah, as you can see, lots and lots of boxes. It's also a reason why I didn't want to move the office right now, because there's just like no way. But here we have a closet. I want to take off the doors probably, so then I have more like open space. Currently I just have some storage boxes from Uline, and then I've been ordering a lot of stuff for my house from Amazon, and like they always include the air packs. So I've been saving them because I'm not sure if we're gonna need some for our Advent. So I've just been stockpiling them, but if we end up not using it, I'll probably just recycle it. And then over here we have more shutters, and we have a bathroom in here. That is the first room for Sticker Guru's office. What I'm planning to put in here is the sticker cutters, so like the silhouette machines, and this is also going to be the packing room. So all of our inventory is going to go into this room. Going to have to think of some way to set up the Calyx shelves for our sticker inventory. But I really love how there's big windows in this room because it brings in a lot of lights, even though currently the sun is setting. That is the first room. Then onto the second room. Okay, we skipped the second floor. We're on the third floor now. This is the floor that has the bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms that I'm going to be using. This is the second office room. And so here is what this room looks like. I decided there's a room right next door and I made that one the guest room. Basically, I really like this room because of the huge windows, and I figured since I'm going to be working in here at my desk that I would want good lighting. This bedroom is probably like the best in terms of lighting. There's 3 huge windows, and then my friends got me this giant portrait of Casper, so I'm thinking of hanging that up somewhere in here. And then this room is a bedroom, so there is a closet. I might actually take off the doors so that it's a little bit more open. In terms of my plan for this room, I'm thinking of putting the printers up here as well as a couple of desks. I'm probably gonna make this also the filming room. So I will probably set up some lights. That's my plan for this room. Currently, no furniture, haven't moved anything over. I'm hoping to move everything over in January once everything kind of calms down after our warehouse sale and Black Friday. I know November and December is always our most busy months out of the year, so I'm gonna wait until things are more calm and less busy in the office, and then I'll move everything over. Luckily, Lucy is visiting and staying with me in January, so she can help me with all that, because I know climbing up 2 flights of stairs to get up to this room is not going to be easy with all of the printers and the desks, the monitor, all the equipment. Just that is definitely going to be a lot of work. Also, I really hope I'm not exposing my neighbors. One thing I will say about this neighborhood is like we're very, very close to our neighbors. The houses are detached, so they're not connected, but I could probably stick my arm out and almost be touching the neighbor's house. Kind of exaggeration, but also not really. And then over there is a bathroom that shares with the guest bed that is over around the corner. Okay, so that is the entire office tour. Let me know your thoughts on the new office, and don't forget to leave me a comment if you want to see a full house tour. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!